We're gonna replace the brake booster on this truck. It's an 86 Ranger. Yep, with the 2.9. So first, I'll get this vacuum line off. If I even can. I took it off from the other side. We'll get to that later. Now we got this bolt. Oh, first this little connector out. It's just getting nasty. This is a 14 mil back there. God damn. Oh yeah, disconnect the negative on the battery too. Give her the old wiggle. Alright, so we're free. Inside the car, under here. Oh man, this is not gonna be. Here's the brake pedal. Up there, you can see 4 bolts, maybe not. That's the linkage to the brake pedal and the back lights when you press the brakes for the lights. Alright, so those are the bolts, and we gotta get them away. Alright, I'm gonna skip this because I can't do this, but you gotta take out these 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then there's a cotter pin in here. Up there is the cotter pin. Yep, and that's out. Okay. And now this should just pop or slide off. Keep track of everything you drop. Alright, we're free. Okay, the booster. Try to just get this out the way. I think that in here is where I was having that leak vacuum. I would turn the truck on and it would just be coming from in here, and it's pretty nasty. It's rusty. So, just if you can remember how we took it out, we're gonna put it in. Pardon me for completely blocking your view. So, new one's in, ain't she pretty? I'm gonna go inside, put those nuts back on, and the cotter pin. Okay. God damn. Here's the new booster piece coming through, and we're gonna reconnect it all, and I'll probably not have the camera on you because I can't do it. All 4 nuts are back on, and the cotter pin link is back in. We're back outside, and this is on there. We're gonna put this on. We're gonna get the master cylinder back in there. There she goes. Oh, that's right. That's right. That should do it. Clip in that clip that I broke earlier. Put the battery terminal back on. And that's it. And start the whip. See if she starts. So, the brakes worked. But I'm gonna start it up again and you can see this idle. I still have this idle issue. But the brakes work good. Yeah, I gotta figure out what's this idle. This like bouncy idle. Thank you for watching.